Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So I want to do a quick morning update for Bitcoin price action and what we are looking at right now. So yesterday morning I covered this that we are coming up against a resistance right around that 10,300 mark, and I was hoping that the amount of volume that we are getting, that we are going to go past that resistance. But what happened is, let me just zoom in. So what happened is we came right at that 9-day moving average and that previous resistance right around that 10,300 10,400 mark, and we couldn't go past that level. So, and right now we came below this pink trend line that for the intermediate, that pink trend line will act as a resistance for intermediate, so we want to make sure we are staying over that in order to have the bull case. Alright, right now we have a significant support actually at 9,600 level. We have that almost right at that 50-day moving average, as well as the 100-day moving average coming up on the 8-hour chart. So that that support level of 9,600 should hold up quite well. If that doesn't hold up, then the next support will be around 9,400. Then another significant support will be around 9,085. Okay, let's look at the bigger time frame on the daily. Okay, so this is the daily. As I said, it was trying to break last night. It came right at that 9-day moving average, and now it's bouncing back. So it's a little bit, pull and push action going on from bulls and bears. We want to see. I'm still more bullish. Okay, I'm still more bullish for Bitcoin price action. That being said, don't go in without your stop losses. Okay, just because the pattern is looking bullish, just because the momentum seems to be looking bullish, but things can change overnight, as you probably know. If you have traded for it, if you haven't been trading in crypto market for even a month or a couple of months, things can easily go from bullish to bearish within hours, without any any headwind, without any warning sign. So the best way we can protect ourselves, the best way we can protect our portfolio, is by having a proper risk management techniques. All right, and that's the only way. There's no other way we can be absolutely sure about it. So that's the golden rule. We want to make sure we are doing our proper risk management. If you do the proper risk management, you will come ahead. All right, your losses will be very minimum, and you will be able to make it up with your bigger gains. So please keep that in mind. All right. So in the daily, as I said, that is taking that support right now from 9,500 levels. We need to get out of this consolidation zone. We need to get it with big volume. It was looking quite decent yesterday, so let's see if we can get a follow through on it. There is nothing. I mean, I was watching the news. There is nothing that really stood out as a negative news to me. There is nothing negative on the market. So I don't know where is this weakness coming from, or the pullback. It's probably just people just pulling out, some of the day trader going in with the bigger positions, trying to short it. It could be some of those things, but I don't see anything that is stands out as a red flag, at least not to me. So there is nothing that I see right now that is a red flag, and I would be very put my position into a lot of less riskier like, you know, convert it to USD or something. So I'm not seeing that red flag right now. That being said, again, make sure you do your proper risk management. Don't go like just blindfolded and just don't be a hopeful trader. Okay. The one coin that I mentioned to my subscribers, this is the coin that is like a really good hedge. So a few days ago I mentioned this coin to my subscriber that if you have a, you know, an awesome if you have let's say if you have a decent size altcoins, or if you have like any Bitcoin or any like Litecoin, Ethereum, the way you can hedge it, a lot of a lot of the day traders, a lot of the, you know, investor in the cryptocurrency market, they have been using this coin as a hedge recently. This is basically, it's called DGX, DAO. So it's backed by backed by gold, basically, like, you know, physical gold sitting in a locker. You can read more about the fundamental of the coin. I can quickly show you where to go. Okay, so if you go on CoinMarketCap and if you look at DGD, so if you come to their website, you can read more about it. It's the dgx.global, and if you want to read all that, like, you know, what exactly their project is about, you can get more fundamental of the project and what they're trying to do. Okay, so but this is the coin. What I have told my subscribers as well, that we have been using this coin as a kind of a hedge for any weakness in, like, you know, Bitcoin positions. So remember, this is a hedge. You don't want to be more than 20% of your portfolio in this coin. This is just a hedge to make sure if you get any weakness in a Bitcoin price action, it will pretty much, you know, act as a lot of like investors, a lot of the day trader will come into this coin to kind of like park their, like, you know, altcoin and their BTC position in here. So it's a, if you want to have a hedging position in your portfolio which kind of protects you from downside risk, then this might be something that you want to look into. It's breaking up right now, trying to break out of that 400 mark. It's at 395, but as you can see, it does fluctuate based on the BTC price a lot. So if BTC is weak, then this will definitely get stronger, and vice versa. So, but again, not a majority of the portfolio. This is just a hedge. Okay, let's go to BTC. Let's wrap it up. Okay, so just to recap, 9,500 levels gonna be critical for BTC to hold up. We want to make sure that level stays. Otherwise, the next support will be around that 9,377, and then it's gonna be, the significant support will be around 9,100 level. Okay, all right, so that's all on BTC. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I post new content every day. Hit those bell notification icons so you can get these videos right away. As you probably know, the market changes a lot. Last night it was looking fairly bullish and ready to, like, you know, run toward that 12,000 mark, but I'm seeing this reversal from that 9-day moving average makes me wonder a little bit what exactly is going on. But I'm still overall bullish in Bitcoin, but still we have to protect that downside. If we have to do that proper risk management. All right, so that will be the key, because no one can predict it. No one can predict how it's gonna do it. So the only thing you can do on your end, only thing that you can control is how you get in and out of your trade. Okay, no, you cannot control the price action, you cannot control the market, but what you can control is your individual trades. All right, and that's the key. All right, so if you learned something today, guys, if you think this is helpful, then please give me a thumbs up, and I will be making more videos for you shortly. All right, thank you.